Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about recent movements for Bitcoin. We are going to talk about my open positions right here. Some of them are going back in the red, unfortunately. So we will talk about my next moves and what I'm going to do with these positions. Am I going to close them? Am I going to add some more to them? Or am I just going to stay on the sidelines for now? Everything will be explained in this video, so let's see. Now Bitcoin is basically pulling back, and we can see we're still in this upward trend line right here. So for now, Bitcoin is just moving along this trend line. So now is the time. Exactly in this moment, we need to have a bounce for Bitcoin. We are exactly on the support line. If it's not gonna hold, the next support line would be the 114K. But right now, I'm very positive we will hold. If not, I would definitely look for entry points here at around the 112K and the 114K. Let's see what will happen. But for now, I expect another leg to the upside and another higher high very, very soon. Let's see what's going to happen. I expect the movement, something like this here, bounce back, and then another higher high here, and probably come back to the trend line, and then again the same move over and over until we are going for the new all-time high above $124,000. Now the big question is, should we open some hedge positions? I think now the time is a bit too late. We are basically on the support zone. If we will break below the support zone, we could open some hedge positions on altcoins just to hedge our positions and also to make some profits when the market is moving in the different direction. But for now, I think the best time would have been to do it a couple of hours ago. Now the market already retraced. So I'm actually gonna add some more to some of my positions. Stay tuned until the end if you want to find out which ones. And we can see here basically clear sign on the RSI here. We had a signal here. The RSI was overbought. Then with the retracement here, then the RSI tried to go back again up, but we didn't go into the overbought zone. So that's why I still think we are still hot and we will probably still run for some new highs next upcoming days. For example, last week in the weekend we had some nice pumps to the upside, I have to say, so we might see the same moves again. So let's see what will happen on Saturday. On Sunday, for now it's still Friday. The US market just opened around 1 hour and 30 minutes ago, so let's see what the US will do. We also have some options expiring that might bring some volatility to the market, so don't open too high leverage positions right now. So let's go over here and check out the altcoins. We can see Link is down a couple thousands compared to yesterday. Doge still massively in the profits. VeChain still very, very good in the profits. Uniswap also still in the profits. Ethereum as well. So we can see still most of my trades are still in the profits. Just some of the altcoins trades went back into the red zone, which is fine because this brings us an opportunity to add some more to our positions. And this is exactly what I'm gonna do here. We can see I have quite a big position on Tao, so I will take some profits on this one. Not now, but I will take it at $370. I will close 25% of my position just because there is a lot of margin on this position. As we can see, I want to deleverage it a little bit and use that margin for some other positions. Then here we have Cake, and Cake performed actually quite nicely, guys. Look at this chart. Look at this. We had a big pump for 1 hour, pump to $2.77, then retrace down back again, and then again a pump even above that at around $2.79. That's where I think the price will go also very soon. So right now, let's add a little bit more to our position, maybe another $500. Let's do it here. Order placed. Now let's see what else we have here. Tau back in the positive. So right now we have basically just two positions that are in the red, the Cake position and the XLM position, which is not so bad, guys. We are still massively in profits from 3 months ago. Like, I mean, just the Solana trade alone is bringing all the profits back at home. But Also, Ethereum is doing very, very well, so there is nothing to worry about for now. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. If it's holding right now, so we didn't broke below the support line. That's very well. Ethereum now below $4,500. Let's see. I would like for Ethereum definitely to jump from this resistance line that turned into a support zone. So now we need a bounce back for Ethereum here around the 4,757, and after maybe a small retracement to this support line here, and after go for the all-time high. That's what I think is probably very likely to happen with Ethereum. Let's see it in the upcoming days. For now, the interest rates have been cut, guys. A lot of liquidity will flow in the market very soon. This is just a little bit of a shakeout. Many people are taking profits after the rally from this week, so there's nothing to worry about. Just don't use too much leverage. I recommend using either, I also would say maximum 20x, guys, if you're already a professional. If you're just starting out, if you have less than 5 years experience in trading, I would do 5x or 10x. Don't over leverage. This is how you get wrecked in this market. Don't over leverage and wait for trading setups. Don't just open trades out of the blue, especially when the market is running hot. Wait for the RSIs to cool off, and we can see here Ethereum is cooling off quite nicely. So we might get another entry opportunity. So with that, I might even add some more to my trade, just because I'm so bullish on Ethereum. I think Ethereum will probably go to $7,000-8,000 in the upcoming days. So we are very close to some parabolic phase for Ethereum. Now, I would definitely like it to go above the $4,600 in the next days, and after go for a new all-time high, guys. And if you want to trade like you see me do, you can do this on the VX exchange. They are one of my favorite exchanges. They have over 1,000 tokens that you can trade. You can trade with a lot of leverage. They have a lot of liquidity, and they are not stop hunting you. Many exchanges, they are stop hunting you, so you get stopped out or get wrecked. They are not doing this. You can see I have many trades that are still very good, profitable. So quite happy with this exchange. You can also do your technical analysis here on the platform, which is a very big bonus point here. You can do technical analysis. You can use many indicators. You can see it, guys. They have many indicators that you can use. This, my favorite one is still the RSI, because it's simple but reliable. That's why I like the RSI very much. And now I also wanted to talk about the position that I want to add more into this. We added already something to our cake position. Now it's time to add some more to one of my most undervalued place right here. We can see here VeChain, just at 2.5 cents, guys. Let's go for it now. I want to add some more to VeChain, and let's do it here. I want to add another $900 to VeChain because I'm so bullish on them. Basically, I think they will do very well in the upcoming months. They were at 8 cents, guys, in December. Now they're sitting at 2.5 cents. So easily we can do a 3x and maybe even more. The all-time high of VeChain was above 20 cents. So the opportunity here is massive. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits, and see you all again next time. Bye. Bye.